Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to your PC for Roblox. First, decide on your connection method. For a wired connection, simply plug a micro USB cable from your controller into an available USB port on your computer. If you prefer wireless, ensure your PC has Bluetooth. You will then need to pair the controller through your computer's Bluetooth settings, holding the PS and share buttons simultaneously until the light bar flashes. To get your PS4 controller fully functional on your PC, you'll need a crucial piece of software: DS4 Windows. This application is essential because it allows your computer to recognize the PS4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, which most PC games, including Roblox, natively support. You can easily download the latest version of DS4 Windows from its official website, ensuring you get the most up-to-date features and bug fixes for a smooth experience. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open the application and confirm that your PS4 controller is detected. You can then create a new profile or select an existing one to begin customizing your button mappings. This allows you to assign specific actions to each button, tailoring the controls precisely for your Roblox gameplay. Don't forget to adjust sensitivity and dead zones to fine-tune your experience, ensuring comfortable and responsive control during your adventures. After configuration, launch Roblox and jump into a game to test your controller's functionality. If you encounter any issues, such as unresponsive buttons or incorrect inputs, first check for updated drivers for your controller or restart the DS4 Windows application. Also, ensure no other background applications are interfering with the controller's input. Sometimes, a simple restart of your PC can resolve minor glitches, getting you back to gaming in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.